इयत्ता 10वीच्या सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांचे या भागामध्ये मी स्वागत करतो। आज आपण मॅथ्स 2 मधील चॅप्टर नंबर 3 सर्कल यामधील आर्क ऑफ सर्कल म्हणजे वर्तुळ कंस आपण शिकणार आहोत। आर्क of a circle. See the figure first. Sir, it is here circle with center C and AB is a second. Its name suppose K. K is a second. Intersect circle at point A and B. Due to the second K, circle divide into parts. These two parts are known as arc of the circle. Now here, this part is arc of circle and it is non-center side. Center is here, part of the circle below AXB. This part is a minor arc. There are two types of arcs. Number one, major arc. Due to the second center side arc is known as major arc, विशाल कंस। Center side arc is major arc and in the figure it is arc AYB. A and B is the end point of the arc and Y is any point on that arc except end points. This arc AYB is known as major arc and second one minor arc. Non-center side arc XYB is called as minor arc. Arc AXB or arc only AB is minor arc. We can write the name of minor arc by 3 letters or 2 letters, but major arc is always written in 3 letters, that is 2 endpoints and any other 1 point, that is here arc AYB and here arc AB or arc XB or arc BA or arc BXA. We can write it also. Now we say central angle. Central angle. See the figure. In this figure, the vertex of the angle is center of the circle. Therefore, that angle is a central angle. angle AOB is the central angle. Suppose its measure is theta. Its measure is theta. It is a central angle. It is also central angle AYB. It is also central angle. If vertex of an angle is center of a circle, then it is central angle. Now what is measure of an arc? Measure of an arc. See here, this arc is minor arc AXB. How we decide its measure? Measure of minor arc is measure of central angle bounded by that arc. That is, measure of minor arc is the measure of measure of angle bounded by that arc at the center. That is angle AOB. The measure of angle AOB equal to measure of arc AXB. Here, measure of arc AXB equal to theta. Measure of arc AXB equal to measure of angle AOB equal to theta. Theta is measure of arc AXB. Now second, measure of major arc. Measure of major arc equal to measure of major arc. Now we see here what is corresponding arcs. If two or more arcs form a circle, then they are corresponding arcs. Now here arc AYB and arc AXB. In the two arcs, there are A and B are common and they form a circle. Therefore, arc AXB and arc AYB are corresponding arcs. Measure of major arc here, measure of arc AYB equal to 360 degree minus measure of corresponding arc. We know that measure of circle is 360 degree. Measure of major arc equal to 360 degree minus measure of corresponding arc. Now here measure of arc AYB equal to 360 degree minus measure of arc XB, that is 360 degree minus measure of arc XB is theta, that is measure arc equal to 360 degree minus measure of corresponding arc. 3 measure of semicircular arc, or measure of circle equal to 180 degree. Measure of semicircular arc or measure of semicircle, measure of semicircle equal to 180 degree. Now for measure of circle, equal to 360 degree. At first we see what is the arc. There are two types of arcs, minor arc and major arc. Then central angle, the vertex of the angle is the center of the circle, then it is central angle. Then measure of arcs, measure of arc XB, you see angle bounded by the arc at the center. Its a measure is measure of that arc, measure of minor arc. Measure arc equal to 360 degree minus measure of corresponding minor arc. Then measure of semicircle. If we draw second passing through the center, then those arcs formed is called as semicircular arc, and measure of semicircular arc is 180 degree and a measure of circle is 360 degree.